Is Forever Honey pure? There's only one thing you'll find in a bottle of Forever Bee honey, and that's pure, natural and responsibly harvested honey. This complex nectar is not just a perfect natural sweetener, it's good for you too. What are the ingredients of Forever Honey? It contains 78% sugars, glucose, fructose and sucrose, minerals, vitamins, enzymes, proteins and amino acids, 19.8 essential. Magnesium, sulfur, phosphorus, iron, calcium, chlorides, iodine, potassium etc. It also contains a hive of live enzymes with many medicinal compounds. Is Forever Honey sugar-free? Forever Bee Honey Mountain 100% pure honey sugar chemical-free sealed original. What are the benefits of Forever Bee Honey? Forever Bee Honey has several health benefits. It is a real concentrate of energy, ideal in case of fatigue, loss of tone and even loss of morale. It relieves sore throat and brings sweetness and gluttony.